देखो, अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा तो पार्ट 2 देखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो पहले पार्ट 1 देखो और फिर यहाँ पे आओ, ठीक है। सबसे पहला है इंडिया का बच्चा मेड इन हेवन, जो कि एक ड्रामा बेस्ड वेब सीरीज है जो कि 2019 में रिलीज हुई थी ऑन Amazon प्राइम, एंड इट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड बाय एवरीवन्स फेवरेट जोया अख्तर एंड रीमा कागती। So in brief, the story is about a Delhi-based wedding planning agency जो big fat Indian weddings organize करते हैं। In fact, Made in Heaven is the name of the wedding planning agency which has been founded by the main protagonist characters, that is your Karan and Tara. And let me tell you, जब तक bride और groom अपने फेरे नहीं ले लेते, उस तक का जो सफर है ना, वही बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। क्या सीक्रेट्स ब्राइड और ग्रूम छुपाते हैं उनके फैमिली से या वो लोगों से जो उनकी शादी अटेंड करने आते हैं, वो भी देखने को मिलता है। What is happening behind the scenes? Is it just a big fat Indian wedding where there is शोर शराबा, jewelry, dresses, or there is something else also to watch? So these are not basically just conventional weddings. There is something hidden in it which you'll definitely enjoy when you watch the series. Once Tara and Karan walk out of these weddings to actually face personal lives of their own, they have so many struggles and challenges actually to look forward to. Starting with homosexuality, which has actually been still looked down upon in India. Karan, being a homosexual, lives a very difficult life. They go to bars like us, they hook up with people they want to, they date people who they want to, they have relationships with them and even get married. Then why are homosexuals looked upon so differently? That is also shown in the series. And despite being a homosexual and facing daily struggles of day-to-day life, that too in India, that too in Delhi, Karan still manages to put up a brave face and go ahead with his work of planning weddings and doing the normal shosha without even showing his pain on his face. Issues like dowry, homosexuality, divorce, infidelity, and whatever happens in the personal lives of Tara and Karan are also showcased in the series. The character Tara has been beautifully played by Shobhita Dulipala. The character of Karan has excellently been played by Arjun Mathur. Also, I would like to say that the big fat Indian wedding, you can only watch it right now when you watch these series. You cannot sadly see it in real life because now the lockdown wedding is limited to 200 guests apparently. So if you want to if you're missing the big fat Indian wedding and how it goes about, what pains are taken, what pains your family took for your wedding or your friend's wedding, please you can watch it in the series itself. It's not only hilarious but a little painful also to see what expenses and how many crores are invested when a wedding is planned. यार लॉकडाउन से ना मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ. I'm tired. I wish I could travel right now, sit on a plane and go somewhere. I'm pretty sure आप भी यही मिस कर रहे होंगे कि काश मैं किसी फ्लाइट पे बैठती या काश मैं किसी ट्रेन में बैठती या विदेश घूम के आ जाती. But actually we can do that. हम पेरिस घूम के आ सकते हैं. So next on the list is Emily in Paris, which has actually been released at the right time. Lockdown के time पे release हुई है. It is a comedy based drama which has been created by Darren Star. वाह, नाम में ही स्टार है. Main cast में है Emily, which has been played by Lily Collins. It's a very interesting story about a Chicago-based, marketing-based executive जिसको एक job opportunity मिलती है पेरिस जाने का to work at a French marketing firm. I was like, she is so lucky to work in Paris for a long amount of time. I mean, इस लड़की को देख के ना जलन भी होती है और खुशी भी होती है. You're actually jealous of this girl कि यार काश मुझे पेरिस जाने को मिलता. The best part is they not only show about the locations and the food that she eats and the places that she visits. The best part is कि इसको French नहीं आती है and what difficulties she faces because their culture is so different. The American culture and the French culture is so different and so is the language. What sort of struggle she faces when she goes there is very funny. It's not just hilarious, it's very painful also because she's alone most of the time when she's there. As of now, only season 1 has released, but trust me, it has relieved me of my stress of not traveling. So please watch it. It acts as a tourist guide for us and it's a beautiful story which you not only envy, you wish you would be there, but you're also happy to see when she's happy, enjoying the locations and the food and the people in Paris. अगला है, oh shit, सूरज डूबा है. एक मिनट, लाइटिंग चेंज करते हैं इसके लिए, ये बेटर है. सेक्स एजुकेशन. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पे होने नहीं वाला है. द नेक्स्ट सीरीज इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एज सेक्स एजुकेशन. भाई मेरी ना रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप 18 अबव नहीं हो तो ये मत देखो. दिस इज नॉट फॉर दैट सेक्स एजुकेशन. This is a comedy drama based series which was released last year and it is superbly awesome. You should watch this. Only watch it if you're 18 above, okay? Series के 2 seasons already release हो चुके हैं and it has been created by Laurie Nunn. The story is very interesting. It talks about an insecure teenager. यार हम लोग कितने insecure और stupid थे. So this is actually about a high school student जो कि थोड़ा insecure रहता है, थोड़ा चुप रहता है. He has only one friend मुश्किल से, and on top of that उसकी जो mom होती है वो sex therapist होती है. I know right, so cool, but he is a little embarrassed क्योंकि उसकी mom ऐसे profession में है. But she on the other side is very bold and that is something to actually look at. हाई स्कूल में बुलिंग क्या होती है, पीयर प्रेशर क्या होता है, किस तरह के अजीब जोक्स लोग मारते हैं जो वो छोटे होते हैं, ये सब देखने को मिलता है. you're like, अरे मैं भी ऐसे ही बोलती थी या मैं ऐसे ही करता था. द मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट ओटिस मिलबर्न, यार बहुत अजीब नाम है यार इनके, इज स्लाइटली एम्बैरेस्ड क्योंकि उनकी मॉम सेक्स थेरेपिस्ट होती है. So instead of being proud of the fact कि उनकी मॉम सेक्स थेरेपिस्ट है, वो एम्बैरेस्ड होते हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम चुप ही रहते हैं. इस कैरेक्टर की लाइफ इतनी बोरिंग है क्योंकि वो घर से स्कूल जाते हैं और स्कूल से घर. कुछ ऐसे सर्कमस्टेंसेस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ओटिस और एक फ्रेंड डिसाइड करते हैं दैट वी शुड स्टार्ट अ सेक्सपर्ट क्लिनिक. जस्ट इमेजिन अ बंच ऑफ इनसिक्योर टीनेजर्स हैव डिसाइडेड टू बी महिंद्रा वत्सा एंड दे themselves being teenagers are going to give advice to other teenagers on sex related problems. That is crazy, right? And they make money out of it. Oh my god. When I started watching this season, I'm like, what is happening? Is this actually possible? But it's really hilarious and you should definitely check it out. Again, watch this if you're 18 above. Otherwise, जाओ, घर जाओ. अरे तुम तो घर पे ही हो. घर पे ही रहो. The next show has been one of my favorites to watch during the lockdown. It's called as Mrs. Marvelous Maisel, which was released in 2017 on Amazon Prime. Now the story has been based in the time period of the late 1950s, तो तब की कहानी है. It's about this beautiful woman जिसका नाम है Midge Maisel and she has everything. Dude, everything is perfect in her life. She has the perfect husband, perfect kids, big apartment, perfect family, and then suddenly her husband abandons her. हम यूजुअली एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि थोड़ा सैड होगा, डिप्रेस्ड होगा, इट विल बी लाइक क्वीन, मेरी लाइफ खराब हो गई एंड ऑल दैट. बट नो, इट इज अ कॉमेडी ड्रामा सीरीज बिकॉज शी यूजेस दैट डिप्रेसिव स्टेट and she suddenly turns that into a potential and she becomes a successful stand-up comic. Her struggles, her competition with the male stand-up comedians in that era of time is actually something to look at. What embarrassment she faces when she tells people that she's a stand-up, because being an artist in the late 1950s was also difficult then for women who were not always empowered. In fact, in India, when we see a female stand-up comedian, we have a smile on our face because we're so happy to see their female perspective on life. Like I always smile when I see an Aditi Mittal on stage. Though when she cracks jokes on the stage, what goes behind writing those jokes is a lot of sadness and a lot of struggle, which you feel a lot of pain for the character and you feel very attached to the character. People say that comedy is a serious business and there's a reason to that, and that serious business is shown in the series. The last but not the least on the list is something, don't get mad at me, but I've only seen 4 episodes and I've already liked it. You guys also must have watched it during the lockdown or before, I don't know, this released in May. Lockdown kab tha? Shit, I've lost track of time. Paatal Lok. How can we forget Paatal Lok on the list? This is on Amazon Prime और इसके मैंने सिर्फ 4 episodes देखे and I'm already loving it and I thought this has to be there on the list, man. Though I've only seen 4 episodes, you can actually write on the comments what you thought after 4 episodes, but I can tell you this, that it's about a police commissioner who arrests 4 youngsters in attempt to murder a journalist और उसके पीछे क्या investigations हो रही है, I'm still watching it right now and I have already watched 4 episodes in one day and I'm like, I have to finish this. Usually as a person मेरे को गाली गलोच, violence अच्छा नहीं लगता है. When I watch it, I'm like this. I don't want to watch. But when I'm watching it here, I'm actually enjoying it because the story actually keeps your eyes glued to the screen कि अब क्या होने वाला है, where is this investigation going to actually go. So if you've seen Paatal Lok or you haven't watched it, please watch it. It's It's superb. You will be like, अरे ये अब क्या होने वाला है और नेक्स्ट सीजन कब आने वाला है या नेक्स्ट एपिसोड कब आने वाला है. So I've really enjoyed it. I'm so sorry मैं इस पे ज़्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं पाऊंगी because I've only seen a few episodes and right now once I'm done with this video I'm going to watch the other episodes. Okay, so these were the series that you should check out during the lockdown. Not just the lockdown, when the lockdown gets done also you can check these out. If I have missed out any web series और आपको लगता है कि यार ये डालना चाहिए था तो comments में डालो. We'll watch that together. और I'm pretty much excited to check out new shows on different OTT platforms as well. So do put them on the comments below as well. And if you have any video suggestions, do let me know. Okay? Till then, my dear Janta, do not forget to hit on that ghanta, that's the subscribe button, so that you know when I'm next online on YouTube. Bye!